Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's December the 26th, 2021. Bitcoin is pumping. What is the next opportunity for this market in Bitcoin? Well, welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin. This is what I do. I do price predictions without the confusion. I mean, look at my price chart. Look how clean it is. I mean, I don't have no technical indicators trying to confuse each and every one of you. There's no need for you to utilize RSIs, MACDs, stochastics, EMAs, simple EMAs. It's all ridiculous. The only thing we need to focus in on is what the people are doing with their money. Are they buying or are they selling? So I'm going to talk about that today to see if we have another 10x opportunity in the market of Bitcoin. So make sure you hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel. Keep it locked in here because this is no other place simpler than what we do here on this channel. Check this out. Now, you guys may recall, back in October, towards the ending, the fourth quarter 2021, you heard a lot of people trying to give you their $100,000 Bitcoin price target. They was looking for the price in Bitcoin to hit $100,000 by the end of this year, right? Yeah, they were. Well, here we are. We got 5 days left. Do you think Bitcoin's going to hit $100,000? I mean, look at the chart. What do you think? Now, there's definitely some outliers that could prop the price in Bitcoin all the way up there to $100,000, but it doesn't look likely in the next 5 days. Now, check this out. You guys can see on December the 5th, I did a price prediction in the market in Bitcoin. I was playing the weakness into the market in Bitcoin, but I wasn't all that weak. I was still looking for the price in Bitcoin to come all the way down here and test this ascending line. Now, so far, we haven't done it. We haven't. So possibly we may have found the support area in the market in Bitcoin right there around $45,250, give or take. Yeah, we could find support right there. So I wanted to come in, break in, and show you all the updated price target in the market for Bitcoin. So let me go ahead and get rid of this price prediction here first, because I don't want to have so much confusion on my chart. So if you wasn't able to get into the market here at around $46,000, to give you around 4 3/4% profitability, if you were to get out the market now, you'll be down 4 3/4. All right. So now let me go ahead and get rid of this because I really want us to zoom out and I want us to try to space this out to see what is the long-term trajectory of where Bitcoin is going to go. Obviously, you guys can tell that the upward movement is still intact. The overall trend in Bitcoin is one still of higher prices. I mean, we can still expect us to do that as long as the price in Bitcoin upholds that ascending line. It's just that simple. Okay. So from a longer term perspective, like if you're looking for price in Bitcoin in the next year, next 12 months, as long as price stays above that ascending line, we have nothing to worry about. Price is going to continue to go up in the next 12 months. It's just that simple. So there's no need for you to click on no more videos if you're worried about where Bitcoin is going to be in the next 12 months. As long as the price comes in and trades above this ascending line, yeah, we're going to go up. Okay, so maybe every once in a while you need to prop in and see what the price is doing, see where it is, and as long as it's above that ascending line, we already got ideas where the market is headed. All right, so now let me show you all a 3 weeks time frame real quick. Let me show you what I have here on the chart so we can kind of gauge what the market is showing us. Right, we got 6 hours and 28 minutes left on this current 3 weekly price bar, and you guys can tell that we really didn't get too much price action. I mean, the last 3 week price bar, look at that. We saw a very wide spread. We were down 24.5% over the last 3 weeks. Well, now this week is kind of different. What's going on in the market? I mean, if the market in Bitcoin truly was weak, we should have saw the continuation of price going down, but that wasn't the case. No, it wasn't. The price, instead of it going down for Bitcoin, has been maintained. So what does it mean? Like I'm telling you all, there's only 2 options that you can get in the market at any given time. Either buy or sell. That's it. So if the majority of the market in Bitcoin on this 3 weekly price bar was selling or trying to offload their Bitcoin into the market, what do you think this one means? I mean, we still got 6 hours and 27 minutes left, but generally, what do you think it means as a snapshot right now? Because in the next 6 hours, 27 minutes, yeah, we might be totally different. But as of right now, this is showing me that the market in Bitcoin is buying. Now, look at this though. This is restriction. I mean, we saw the market in Bitcoin get restricted right here too. On this 3 weekly price bar on August the 23rd, we are doing the same thing again now. So let me tell you this, let's not get it twisted. No, the market in Bitcoin is not necessarily pumping to where you're looking for the price to hit $100,000. No, this area right here, $52,125, is acting as restriction. Keep that in mind. So let me show you all the weekly then. Okay, this is the market in Bitcoin on weekly. And I want you all to see this. Again, I'm telling you where the restriction point is into the market in Bitcoin. Okay, so we're not going to be massively bullish to the market of Bitcoin until we break $52,000. Simple. All right, we already know that. So if price in Bitcoin cannot break this, we already know that the market's not going to go up. So we won't be surprised. We won't play our emotions into it, because I'm telling you this now. Price cannot break above $52,000. Look, don't expect it to go up. Okay, you guys can see we had opportunities to where Bitcoin wanted to break above $52,000, but it couldn't do it. We're going to try it again. That's what I'm trying to tell you. The market's going to try again to break above $52,000. Okay, it's the 5-day. So you guys can see we're still finding price being hung up around $52,000. Look at this on the 3-day. You tell me, what do you all expect the market in Bitcoin to do? Now, I am going to be slightly bullish into the market in Bitcoin. I'm not going to tell you that I'm looking for a moonshot, a Lambo price prediction, because that is ridiculous. But yeah, I'm going to play some strength, but I'm not going to be massively strong though. I want you all to understand my premise, my context. I'm not telling you that I'm looking for the price of Bitcoin to hit $100,000. That's ridiculous. I'm already showing you that $52,000 is a problem, is a hindrance in Bitcoin's price progression. Now, check this out. If I'm looking for a price in Bitcoin to go up, how high? Well, the first problem that we can see Bitcoin get hung up at is at 52,000. So as I do this price prediction, keep that in mind. Like, we might need to just take the profitability into the market in Bitcoin right there. Okay. Yeah, we might. Now that would give us around what? 3%. I mean, sometimes you just got to get what the market is offering and take it, and not overstay your welcome in these markets, because they're not here for you. They're here for themselves. Nobody's here for you. You got to understand that when you come in and participate in these markets. I don't care what YouTuber you listen to. They're not here for you. They're here either for ad revenue, most likely, or they're here to ensure that they continue to get all the clicks and the likes and the subscriptions and the subscribers, so that they can continually make money on the opposite end and not really worried about you making money in the markets. So yeah, be prepared. $52,000 first. Okay, my second area is going to be right there around 56,000. Right, that's about 10.75% profitability in the market in Bitcoin right there. Okay, now I'm going to continue to play this prediction into the market in Bitcoin, so long as market stays above this ascending line. Right, I'm going to continue to play the strength into the market for that. Now, I definitely would like to see price on any bouts of weakness, on any movement to the downside, for price to hold $48,000, right? But I'm going to extend it down here to 44 to allow us a cushion to let this price continually trade in the market for Bitcoin. Okay, bring this over just a little bit. So this is it. This is what I'm looking forward to. $52,000 first for us to try to nibble and take the bag. Second area is around $55,000 or 56. And then, yeah, I'll give you one more. I'll extend it up here to $60,000, which gets around 18.25% profitability. That is looking less likely right now, because we still see price hung up around 52. Now, if we break 52, then yeah, the market in Bitcoin is likely to try to come up here to 56 and then possibly $60,000. So now let's check this out. Let's go ahead and run this back on the monthly. I want you all to see what it looked like, because this is a probable precursor of strength. Now this is what a probable precursor of strength means. It means that the next month, January, we will have to have Bitcoin's price close above the current close of December's month. Yeah, because if that happens, then it tells it that the buyers control the market for December and January. You would expect the price to continue to go up in February. It's all a game. It's all simple. It's all logical once you understand that money talks. People are actually placing actual money in these markets. And once they do that, that's like an actual conviction. Like, this is what they believe that the price is going to do, because you can't take it back. So this is the most truest form of what price is going to do without all of the noise. I'm trying to tell everyone that. So if you guys appreciate these price predictions, make sure you hit me up. Keep it locked in here. All right, I'm done. Now it's your turn. Draw me the price prediction in the market for Bitcoin and tell me, where do you see the price going over the next couple of weeks? Let me bring this in closer. I don't want us to track the market that long. Let's bring it like to March. All right, so that's it. Now it's your turn. Draw me a comment real quick and tell me where you think the price of Bitcoin is going to go over the next couple of months. January, February, March. All right, hit me up. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.